the Singhu border. Now this of course is to mark about 6 months of protest against the 3 farm laws. Now farmers of course are planning to congregate at the borders outside the national capital, that's the Singhu border as well as the Tikri border, on the 26th of May to mark 6 months of their protest against the government's 3 farm laws. Okay, let's go across to Sumi, who's been reporting on this from the Singhu border. Sumi, give us a sense of what you see around you. Now, in the morning we saw several of those protesting farmers head towards Hisar. Now, a large number of the farmers are also heading towards, the Singhu border. Give us a sense of the arrangements that you see around you, because, we have seen security being enhanced at various places.
Yes, absolutely. We had come last week here as well, but the security that we observed today has definitely been heightened after the calls for the May 26 congregation was made by the farmers' body a few days back. In fact, this is the run-up to the massive protest that will be happening on the May 26 to mark the 6 months of the protest that has begun from November 26th last year. In fact, we're right now 8 to 10 kilometers inside Haryana, inside the Singhu border, and inside the protest as well, where my video journalist will show you how the tents are still placed here in long queues. And in fact, all of the tents have ACs and coolers inside them for the farmers to get some help to brave the weather. But these farmers, we are observing these tents right now in the afternoon, but a few of the farmers that can be still seen in the frame can be seen not wearing their masks at all. And let alone for following the social distancing norms, actually most of them defy the presence of the COVID virus in itself. And in fact, they say that there is no virus that exists, and which is why they will be coming in huge numbers. And convoy consisting 2,000 vehicles have already been sent to the national capital, towards the national capital from each district of Haryana, as one of the farmer leaders had to say. And in fact, he also added that the numbers...
I'm going to have to interrupt you there. Let me also bring in Anuj, who's reporting on this. Anuj, of course, is reporting from Hisar in Haryana. Anuj, give us a sense of what's happening over there. We were expecting those farmers to congregate at the law college and thereafter, march on to picket senior officers' residences.
Well, exactly. First, let me give you the sense on the ground of what exactly the pictures are, because these are the horrible pictures which is coming in from the ground. When we are talking about the pandemic, when we are talking about the lockdown which is already implemented in the state, then there you can clearly see the pictures and the visuals are speaking themselves. So the condition here could be clearly seen, and let me give you the sense that what exactly at this point in time is happening. Right now I'm reporting from the Kranti ground. There is a ground in Hisar which is called Kranti ground, and everybody has assembled here. Let me tell you, Rakesh Tikait has already reached and he is inside the premises, and from here now the farmers have decided to move towards the secretariat. What we have been told that there are numbers of police personnel, around more than 4,000 police personnel has been deployed at the secretariat. Police from all the district of Haryana has been asked to come here, and they have been deployed here in Hisar to control the situation. As we are seeing the situation, when we are talking about the numbers, then you can clearly see in the pictures there is more than lakhs of farmers who have already gathered here in Hisar in the Kranti ground, and from here, as I told you, they will be moving towards the secretariat. Let me also remind you, if we talk about the story, then this was the FIR which was registered against around 350 farmers and the protesters who were protesting against Manohar Lal Khattar, and they were trying to Gherao Khattar earlier, and later this was the FIR, the complaint which was registered on the farmer. Now today the farmers is looking action against those police officials, and they are willing that those FIRs should be taken back, and for that cause now this today this protest has been called in Hisar. I'll ask my video journalist to give you a 360 view of the area so that we can understand what exactly the situation in Hisar at this point in time is. We are continuously seeing these kind of visuals from the toll plaza to the city. I have traveled across the roads, and there we are continuously seeing these kind of gathering when we are talking about the pandemic, when we are talking about the lockdown, there you can clearly see how this has been destroyed, how the norms have been not followed, and lakhs of farmers are already here, and now they are going to move toward the secretariat. We have to see how the situation is going to be controlled, because what we have been told, this is already the police personnel which has been deployed, the heavy police personnel from all the districts of Haryana has been already called in. This is the Kranti ground. From there you are getting the visuals. These are the live images from Kranti ground, and there numbers of farmers, lakhs of farmers have already gathered. Now they are waiting for more farmers, what we have been told. I just spoke to some of the farmers. They are saying that from Kranti ground they will bring the Kranti today, and what their mood is that they are not going to stop like this. So we have to see that how the situation is going to come under control, because these are the pictures which we have seen earlier in the national capital, that kind of the repetition what we are seeing. If you talk about these visuals, we do remember what happened on 26th of January in the national capital, and those pictures could be clearly seen on the road again. And this something is happening when the pandemic is on, when the lockdown is already implemented, when the situation is getting out of control. States after states is fighting for the vaccine, but on the other hand, there on the ground, the picture is really different, because you can clearly see behind me the numbers of people who are standing, and they are not wearing the mask, they are not maintaining the social distancing. That is something which is the worrisome situation, but we have to see how the situation is going to be controlled, how the administration is going to work upon the same, and what exactly will be done when we are talking about the talks between the farmers. Let me also remind you that the farmers earlier and the leaders of the farmers earlier have already given a request to the central government that they want another round of talk. Earlier we have already seen 11 round of talk, but nothing has reached to the conclusion. But finally today, this is the call which has been taken by the farmers, and now they are willing and they are asking to take action against the police person who registered complaint against 350 farmers who were protesting and who were trying to get out Manohar Lal Khattar when he was in a function, he was in a program in Haryana itself. So that's something what we are seeing. We are continuously giving you the sense from the ground that what exactly the situation on the ground is. We'll move ahead and we'll give you the more visuals from the main road also, because this is not to only the ground if we talk about the situation which is limited, but there on the main roads where the traffic has been already jammed, where the situation is already going out of control. If you talk about the people from the street, there on the main road, this is the main road, there you can clearly see how the traffic has been affected. But on the other hand, these are all the farmers, these are all the protesters, because there is banners on the tractors, banners on the buses, cars and their vehicles. So they are moving here from different locations. The call has been taken by the leaders of the farmer, where they have called lakhs of farmers together here from the nearby district of Hisar and the other places. So this is going to be in Hisar today. This is like the protest, and this is the move which is we are expecting at any moment from now, because Rakesh Tikait has already reached, other leaders of the farmers has already reached inside what we have been told. This is the Kranti ground where they have gathered, and now the next plan of action is to move toward the secretariat. There, as I told you earlier also, numbers of police personnel, around more than 4,000 police personnel has been already deployed. Even the deployment of forces, RAF, the RAF and the other forces is already being done to control the situation. But we have to see how the things go ahead. Because as of till now, if you talk about the pictures, if you talk about the situation on the ground, this could be clearly seen, and the visuals are speaking themselves, that these people, these protesters, these farmers are not worried about anything, but they have just planned to move and to gherao the commissioner and to gherao the top officials of Hisar in Haryana itself. So we have to see, wait and watch how this is going to be tackled. But the situation is a worrisome situation on the ground when we talk about the pandemic, when we talk about the COVID-19, when we talk about the lockdown. Back to you in the studio.
कर रहा एक बार ओढ़े जाओ ना यार, ये तो बात में फिर कर दियो ओढ़े जाओ वो करण की तो
We can see those visuals that you are bringing to us. There are thousands and thousands of protesters over there gathered, and thereafter the plan, of course, essentially is to picket residences of senior officials. But if I could come back to you, Anuj, now, we understand that one of the key demands of the farmers is that, the cases that were filed against them by the Haryana police, about 350 farmers, a case was registered against them. They want those withdrawn. Now, what are you hearing from the state government? What are they telling you about that aspect of it?
Well, at this point in time, there is no version from the state government which we are hearing, because this is the call which has been taken by the farmers, and they have already planned it to move and to gherao the secretariat and the top officials of Hisar. But let me tell you, as we are talking about this particular complaint, and if we talk about this particular episode, then this is, yes, the call which has been taken by the farmers that these cases should be withdrawn. But on the other hand, we also have to keep in mind that if these cases have been registered, this was also to control the law and order situation, because this was none other but Manohar Lal Khattar, the Chief Minister of Haryana, whom they were trying to gherao on that very day when these cases were registered. So this has also been kept in mind by the administration. On the other hand, the law and order situation has to be kept in mind, and that is something what we are seeing, because the numbers of police personnel have been already deployed, and we are telling it to our viewers, the heavy deployment of the forces is already being done. So that's something what we are seeing on the ground. But this is to wait and watch how government is going to react on the same. Preparation has been already done. Law and order situation is already been looked up. But this is to wait and watch how the administration is going to control the situation, because the visuals at this point in time are speaking themselves. Yes.
Right, absolutely. As you're pointing out, Anuj, we have seen a heavy deployment of security forces. We do know that there's a large contingent of rapid action force that's been deployed, at the Maidan where these farmers are congregating. Now, Anuj, but after today, after this congregation and picketing gets over, are these farmers also then marching towards the borders, of Delhi? Because farmer unions, of course, have given a call to all farmers to congregate outside the national capital, in a protest that will mark 6 months of their demonstrations against the government. That's on the 26th of May.
Oh, well, exactly as you pointed it out very rightly, that this is going to be the 26th of May when this is going to complete the 6 month when we talk about this agitation. But this is to see, wait and watch whether they will be moving from this particular place to the national capital, because this particular call has been taken for the Haryana government. This particular call by the farmers has been taken to take those cases which has been registered on the farmers' back, which was registered when they were trying to gherao Manohar Lal Khattar. So this is to wait and watch by what exactly will be the announcement from the state therein. But at this point in time, what we have been told, we'll move ahead and we'll continuously give you the sense also from the ground. So while talking, so what we have been told, that there is going to be a meeting, and rather the meeting is underway. The leaders of farmers are meeting at this point in time inside the Kranti ground. So they will be taking the call whether they have to move ahead, whether what exactly is going to be the next course of action, whether they will be heading toward the national capital. But today, the call is being taken to gherao the secretariat and the top officials of Haryana here in Hisar. So we have to see, wait and watch what exactly will be the next move, will be the next course of action. But at this point in time, the lakhs of farmers have been already gathered here in the Kranti ground, and now, any movement from now, they will be moving toward the secretariat, where the heavy deployment of the police and the police personnel and the rapid action force, or rather the other forces, is being already done, so that everything should remain in control.